I'm upgrading to the newer MM360 by Mighty Mule. Supposed to be some improvements in it. I don't know what they are, but my old one, tried to clean it up, but it's just all the having to take it apart so much. I'm stripping the little screws out of it, and they're all rusting up. It's getting water inside and ants. For some reason, it just doesn't seal right. So hopefully they have better seals on the other one. Otherwise, we'll have to address the tilt problem on my arm. And here's the new one. Here's what comes in the box. Got me another wireless transmitter, which come in useful. Instructional DVD. Nice little wires hook up the battery. The old one's kind of worn out all the mounting hardware. Brackets. I guess this is if you can plug it up somewhere, which I don't have a plug to plug it up. So, we're going to a battery. Looks like it might be a little larger than the predecessor. It shows the solar panels and stuff, which I'm going to use one of my solar panels that I already have. Well, water consistently got into this one through the wiring area, and this still has an open wiring area, so I hope other things are improved on it. I'm going to open it up and connect the wires that need to be connected, and then take it out and install it where using the other bracket that was already installed. This little piece right here is actually rusted on so good, I'm going to have to cut the wire to get it out of there. It's damaging the panel, and it won't unscrew. So it looks like they're pretty much identical. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe it's safety stuff, but I hope we don't have the same problem. We probably will. I'm probably gonna have to adjust the tilt of the arm so it doesn't roll water down into it. This wires to the solar panel. Got it hooked in. These wires are already wired in. This is to the antenna, I believe. And power wire just plugs in right there whenever I get it set. I'm going to take off the old antenna in favor of the new one. I'm going to leave on the old hardware because it's just a little bit rusty, but otherwise it's structurally sound. And everything else I'm replacing. Alright, get that sitting up there ready to be hooked up. I built a little brick box for my battery. Usually I put a block on top of it, so I broke my block. I'm going to hook up the power wire to the battery and run it through and hook it up to that piece, and I'll flip it over. So this is upside down. It's got to be flipped over for it can run. Well, I put up an old 15-watt ICP global power panel. I'm going to attach it to that gray wire, which is attached to that, which regulates the charge to that. So hopefully everything will work out all right. And see how it goes. I have my solar panel on, and you probably can't see it very well because it's so bright out here, but that little green light right there is lit up when the solar panel is hooked up to it. I think the other light comes on when it actually needs to charge the battery, but the battery is fully charged, so it's probably why it's not lit, blinking. This cord, by the way, didn't come with the kit. It came with the solar panel. And if you don't have, it doesn't come with one, you just buy a two-wire wire. You can have a positive and negative. And if it comes in something like this, you can just strip the wires and insert them into the back. That's a 3-volt. I don't think it's big enough to use on this, so I didn't install it. I think I have everything already put the top on. Now I'm going to see about putting something on the back there so the water doesn't get in there and see if that fixes my problem. Inside the remote there's some little switches. You switch them to different positions so it'll operate your gate, but the arm has to learn the remote code. So this is how this works. Hit the learn remote button.
Hold the button down on the remote at the same time?
The way I did it before was push this down first and then use the remote button, but I'll try it the other way around. Whoop. Yep, well, it's already learned it. It beeped last time, so. Now we're going to set the gate and have the gate learn. The set limit button is. So whenever it gets to the positions you want the gate to stop at, you hit the remote button again. And you hit the learn button. And now it should stop at that every time. It's cycling back through, it should stop at the place I made it stop at last time. And there you go. Now I'm just going to flip the arm. I'm going to put this cover back on and flip the arm back over. So this is on the bottom, because if it's on the top it'll get water damage when it rains, and it will all be set up. Got it flipped back over and in place. And if there's any more adjustments, say I wanted to move this a little bit further, all I have to do is take this piece out and you unscrew it so it comes out a little bit further and it pushes the gate a little bit further, however you want it to be. And that's the micro adjustments you can do if you can't get it quite right with a button. So this is how it's supposed to be set up, and it all works. And I'm going to put the little pins in and be done with it. Boom Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.